Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix Hilton Honors app won't let you log in. So if you're currently facing that exact same problem, well, I'm going to show you how you can actually fix it. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your Hilton Honors app, as you can see, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do on this page is to find and click where it says account. So click on account, and in here you're going to click, of course, where it says sign in. So we're going to click on sign in, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So if you're currently having problems with not being able to log in into your account, and one of those reasons is that you, for example, forgot your password, well, then what you're going to do, you're going to click where it says reset password in here, as you can see. So click on reset password, and then you're going to provide them your username or Hilton owner's ID, as you can see, and also your email address, as you can see. And what will happen then is that I'm just going to click on done here, and then you're going to click on submit. What will happen then is that you will receive an email from Hilton owners, and in there you will be able to click where it says reset your password. So on the email itself, you will be able to reset your password. You will get a link to click on, and afterwards you can go back into the app and try to log in once again when you have actually reset your password. And that is basically exactly how to fix this.